All right. I just wanted to get a look at it.
There's still 3 people outstanding, so.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
3?
Yeah. You want to stand across the street for me?
Over there. Just across. Thank you.
All the airbags went off. They let that guy go. Hey, you want to tell it?
Where did you guys drop it off? Where did you guys drop it off? What is corrupt?
Hey, bro. Hey, bro, I'll show you. Bro, right here. I'm not a cop. I was filming the police, bro. You want to tell me what happened?
I just got accused of stuff, bro. I was innocent bystander walking, going north.
Yeah.
And these cops just straight harassed me. They saw a Latin person. They said that, oh, he's a criminal.
Oh, damn.
You know what I mean? And they grabbed my hands and they took it all the way up, bro, and it hurts right now.
Oh, damn. You know the cross streets? I could show you. I know around this area.
I don't know where. Yeah, I don't even know where I was at, actually. I don't even know where I'm at right now.
Oh, okay. This is Pepper. Higuera Street's right there. It's like the main street. Oh, wait. This might not be Pepper. But Higuera's right over there. This is Marsh. If you follow these, you'll be straight downtown.
Yeah, I'm just... I don't... everything's blacked out.
You got a video?
Huh?
You got a video of him?
I do have a video.
Dude, I have a YouTube channel, man. I'd love to get that shit.
Yeah?
Yeah.
That doesn't mean you have to accuse me of stuff. Sit down. You have to have a proper cause. I call him on everything, bro.
Yes. Hell yeah.
You know what I mean? Fabricating the truth.
Yo.
You know what I mean? But I couldn't record because I was on Shackle, bro.
Oh,
or
okay.
else I would have even more.
Yeah.
You know what I mean?
For sure.
I would have been. I would have fucking been like putting them on the spot, bro.
For sure,
And
bro.
they hated it. And that's why they let me go, bro.
Yeah.
You know what I mean?
All right. Well, yeah, bro. I'll definitely do, right?
Yo, you want to roll this way? I can give you a ride, wherever.
Yeah, for sure, bro. These cops do this all the time now, bro.
For sure.
It's unlawful, bro. It's crazy, man.
I got you. You know what happened?
Huh?
Some guys weren't pulling over that were in that car. So they crashed, and then They ran. So they were looking for like 3 or 4 people, they said, over the scanner. And so I guess, I don't know, they were just swooping people up, dude. Damn.
You just can't do that though, bro.
No, I know.
Anybody, bro.
Yeah.
They broke my arm, I think, bro. Honestly, I feel like they broke my arm.
Oh shit.
Like, straight up, bro. I feel like they broke my arm, dude.
Damn.
Actually, I want to get the record of this right here.
Yeah.
I need to get this. 'Cause
Yeah, go
what
get
if
the incident number.
What if my hands is broken, bro?
Yeah. Ask for an incident
You
number.
know what I mean? Like, straight up, bro. Like, I need you to have my back on this.
Yeah, for sure. I got you, man.
Because the incident, it means
Let's
a lot
go.
now, bro.
Let's go this way.
Like, what if my hands are broken? And then what? You know what I mean?
Yeah.
Like, I know that this arm right here, they tilt it all the way up. You know what I mean? Hey, I'm gonna need an incident number. Cause my right hand, it's kind of broken, bro, I think. And I'm gonna need the video of this whole thing.
You got something to write it down with?
No, I need you guys' badge number and everything, dude. 'Cause honestly, my left hand is good, but my right hand got pulled all the way back, all the way to the top, bro.
Okay.
And I think I'm gonna need something on this one, bro. Straight up. I don't know which one of you guys did it, bro. So I need everybody that was in this incident together. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
And then
The
I'll
incident
see it
number
through the
will have
video.
everybody attached to it.
You know what I mean?
Well, no. The incident will have the whole report with everything.
And then who's the officers that were in this incident?
It's all going to be on the report.
Well, can I have it written down? That way it's not no.
What do you like?
Okay, there's 1, 2, 3, 4. There's somebody else. There was somebody else too.
I don't know everyone's body number, but I know my own.
There was somebody else.
Like me? Well, if they look like me, then you have my name. You're saying it looked like me or it wasn't?
I'm saying that it looked like you.
Oh, okay. Well, those are the three officers. I seem cool. I appreciate it. It wasn't me because I seem cool, but it looked like me. Skin wise.
Yeah.
All the officers are on there that were there when we did it.
What about him?
He's on there. That's my body number, sir, because I don't know everyone's body number. I don't have it memorized. That's mine.
Right? What you mean? You know their name.
Yeah, the name's on there. Sure. There's my name. There's the other two officers.
Amanda or Dawson.
Amaya Davidson. Sorry, I don't write perfectly. Cool.
Damn. So we got vehicle 210. We got a vehicle number 2105. And we got vehicle 2008. This is 3 a.m.